Can you believe this stunning family home in New Orleans is constructed using shipping containers? Absolutely. This residence, skillfully crafted by JC Patin, seamlessly combines 8 shipping containers using steel I-beam framing. A thoughtfully designed front door grants access to an office, an open-plan living space, kitchen, and dining area. By removing sections of the inner container walls, an expansive open-plan living room emerges, dispelling any notion of living within a container box. Upon entering through the main entrance, the front space reveals a well-lit and spacious home office. Adjoining the kitchen is the guest bathroom. It features an antique sink and toilet, which adds a touch of historical charm. This kitchen harmoniously blends solid wood and marble-look porcelain floors, exuding elegance and durability. It boasts a wine fridge, a 5-burner gas stove, soft-closed drawers, and ample cabinet space, epitomizing the fusion of style and functionality. The kitchen centerpiece is a custom Sinker Cypress island, ingeniously incorporating steel remnants, accentuating the home's industrial roots. Moving beyond the chef's quality kitchen, a cozy dining area comfortably accommodates 4 individuals. The living area impresses with a spectacular lounge, furnished elegantly with a comfortable sofa seat for relaxation, a glass coffee table, and sophisticated easy chairs that infuse a contemporary flair. A floor mat defines the lounge area, while surrounding with windows framing the captivating outdoor views, enhancing the allure of this beautiful home. Moreover, large glass doors open onto a stunning deck with an outdoor living area. The ground floor boasts light-colored floor tiles that further enhances the airiness of the white walls. The second floor encompasses a master suite, 2 additional bedrooms, a bathroom, and laundry area. The luxury vinyl flooring unifies these spaces, offering both style and practicality. The master bedroom commands attention with its French doors spanning an entire wall, welcoming abundant natural light and providing access to a charming Juliet balcony. It features a comfortable double bed adorned with plenty of pillows for a restful night's sleep. The master bedroom connects to a deluxe master bathroom equipped with a large tub, a shower cubicle, double vanities with storage, and a window that invites ample daylight. 2 bedrooms of similar dimensions are located on the upper floor. These spacious rooms can comfortably accommodate a double bed, allowing room for personal touches to create cozy retreats. The 2 bedrooms share a modern bathroom, complete with a toilet, a shower bathtub, and a vanity top with storage. The house predominantly showcases an industrial finish as its main decorative style, utilizing the raw appeal of exposed steel walls. The patio is furnished with outdoor furniture, and the addition of a barbecue grill enables delightful alfresco dining and lounging. The exterior boasts a ceramic paint coating, ensuring both comfort and energy efficiency. The integration of materials results in an extraordinary modern house that anyone would be proud to call home. This amazing home is on sale, listed for $799,000 US. Would you buy this amazing house for this listing price? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.